Presenting you the LSRP'S Universal Fit Drain Pipe for all types of front-load washing machines. Our drain pipes have universal compatibility. Hence, it is a perfect fit for all major brands' front-load washing machines. Brands, such as Bosch, IFB, LG, Samsung, Haier, Siemens etc. Our drain pipes are made with ultra-premium PVC material. That ensures our customers get the top-notch quality drain pipe. We use optimally flexible and optimally soft rubber closing on the inlet end. This provides the pipe better grip on the drain outlet point of your front-load washing machines and also prevents from any type of water leakage issues. The ultra-durable PVC material offers improved longevity and increases the overall lifespan of our drain pipe.